So we start chapter surface chemistry. So what is surface chemistry? The branch of chemistry which deals with the study of phenomena, maybe chemical reaction, maybe physical interaction, study of phenomenon at the surface or interface. At the surface or interface. So, in the branch of chemistry, it deals with the study of chemical reaction or physical reaction at the surface or interface. So, it is totally a surface phenomenon, not in the bulk of the solid or not in the bulk of the liquid. এটা কোন surface উপরে जो interaction ହେଇପାରିବ ताकू बेस करे कि केमिस्ट्री जो ब्रांच अछि ताके हम कहि परिबा सरफेस केमिस्ट्री. So before going to details, first we have to study what is adsorption and what is absorption. So what is adsorption? What is adsorption? Next, what is absorption? Okay. So adsorption is defined as the concentration, more concentration on the surface than in the bulk. Suppose this is our solid surface. Solid. If liquid or gas interact with the solid and the concentration of the liquid is only in the bulk, the liquid or gas, the solid or liquid. गोटे सॉलिड सरफेस नै छे कि लिक्विड सरफेस नै छे ता ऊपर हमें जदी गोटे लिक्विड सरफेस बा गैस को इंटरैक्ट करेबा बा लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल बा गैस मॉलिक्यूल इंटरैक्ट करेबा जो मॉलिक्यूल बाहर आसिला लिक्विड गैस जदी सरफेस भीतर न पसी सरफेस ऊपर रहला तले हम ता कहि परिबा एडजॉर्प्शन. जदी भीतर को एंट्री करेला भीतर को एंट्री करेला और सरफेस में रहेगा, that is called absorption. This is adsorption, this is absorption. So what is the basic difference? What is the basic difference between adsorption and absorption? What is the basic difference between adsorption and absorption? So basic difference is that in adsorption only liquid molecule or gas molecule they remain in the surface, but in the absorption the liquid molecule and gas molecule they enter into the bulk. In addition to surface they enter into the bulk, and that is basic difference between adsorption and absorption. Okay. So the solid surface. Next, what is adsorbent and what is adsorbent? Adsorbent and adsorbent. Adsorbent and adsorbent. So this surface may be solid or may be liquid. This surface, this substance is known as adsorbent. So adsorbent may be solid, may be liquid. solid or liquid. That's called adsorbent. So if there is more concentration of surface, that is adsorption. If there is more concentration of the ball, that is absorption. Suppose this is gaseous molecules or liquid molecules. Gaseous molecules or liquid molecules, which are adsorbed on this surface. They are known as adsorbent. They are known as adsorbent. So जे आसिकी adsorb हबो आर सरफेस ऊपर से होचे adsorbent. जहाँ ऊपर आसिकी adsorb हैला ताके हम कहबा adsorbent. जे आसिला सेला adsorbent. जे अछि ता जार सरफेस ऊपर adsorption हबो सेला adsorbent. बा adsorbent. जार सरफेस ऊपर adsorption हबो सेला adsorbent. जे आसिकी adsorb हैला से adsorbent. So adsorbent plus adsorbent will give rise to either adsorption or absorption. Okay, so this is the basic concept of adsorbent, adsorption and absorption. Next, difference between chemical and physical adsorption. Difference between chemical and physical adsorption. Difference between chemical and physical. We discuss one by one. Physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. So both are adsorption means there is more concentration of adsorbent on the surface in comparison to both. माने surface ऊपर यदि adsorbent लागिला हमें ता कहबा adsorption. और adsorbent अछि तार surface ऊपर आसे यदि adsorbent लागिला हमें ता कहबा adsorption. और भीतर को पसी गला adsorbent रो हम ता कहबा absorption. AB. So again adsorption is of two types. One is physical adsorption and other is chemical adsorption. So there are two types of adsorption. One is physical adsorption and other is chemical adsorption. So in physical adsorption there is a weak van der Waals force of interaction. There is a weak van der Waals force of interaction between adsorbent and adsorbent. That is weak force of interaction between adsorbent and adsorbate. There is no chemical bond is formed. Here there is no chemical bond is formed. Only a physical interaction takes place between adsorbent and adsorbent. Suppose this is adsorbent. This is adsorbent. Suppose here this is adsorbent. There is no chemical bond is formed. This is adsorbent. This is adsorbent. No chemical bond is formed between adsorbent and adsorbent. Only simply there is a physical interaction. So we can say van der Waals force of interaction. Van der Waals force of interaction between adsorbent and adsorbent. Since there is no chemical bond is formed, no chemical linkage is there, again you can absorb another layer of adsorbent. Again you can absorb another layer of adsorbent. So one adsorbent can accommodate many layers of adsorbent. So a multi-layer is formed. A multi-layer is formed in case of physical adsorption. But in case of chemical adsorption, a chemical bond is formed. A chemical bond is formed between adsorbent and chemical bond is formed between adsorbent and adsorbate. So suppose this is the surface of adsorbent and this is adsorbate. A chemical linkage, electron transfer takes place and chemical bond is formed between adsorbent and adsorbate. So we can form multi-layer. Multi-layer करवाएगा नहीं. But in this case, a multi-layer is formed. But in this case, there is no formation of multi-layer. So multi-layer is completely prohibited in case of chemical adsorption, and multi-layer is formed in case of physical adsorption. And in physical adsorption, adsorbate and adsorbent are attached with a weak van der Waals force of interaction. But in case of chemical adsorption, adsorbate and adsorbent are interacted with a strong chemical bond, and a monolayer is only formed. A monolayer is only formed in case of chemical adsorption. Next point. Next point. Heat of adsorption ΔH is very low. So when adsorbent is interacted with the adsorbate, some heat is evolved. That is, it is an exothermic reaction. Both physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. ΔH is negative. In this case, ΔH is also negative. But the difference is that in this case, very lesser amount of heat is involved, means 20 to 40 kilojoule. 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole is only EVAP. But in this case, around 200 kilojoule per mole heat is involved. So, very high amount of heat is evolved in case of chemical adsorption. But in case of physical adsorption, when adsorbate interact with adsorbent, then lesser amount of heat is formed. So, this next point of difference is with increasing temperature. With increasing temperature, the rate of physical adsorption decreases. But with increasing temperature, the rate of physical adsorption first increases, then decreases. This is the variation. In case of physical adsorption, the rate of adsorption totally decreases from starting to final point. But in case of chemical adsorption, the rate of adsorption first increases with increasing temperature and then decreases with further rising temperature. So activation energy is more in case of chemical adsorption and activation energy is less in case of physical adsorption. But activation energy is very low in case of physical adsorption and activation energy is very high in case of chemical adsorption. So in this case multilayer will form, in this case monolayer will form. By lowering the pressure, the adsorbed molecule जो molecule टा आसिकी जो adsorbent molecule आसिकी adsorbent ऊपर लागी थिबो pressure कमे गले adsorbent molecule और adsorbent molecule अलग अलग हेजी लो pressure टिके कमे गले हमें से adsorbent molecule को अलग अलग करेगा adsorbent molecule था और chemical adsorption रे pressure लो करके हम recover कर परिबा नहीं वैसे amount recover हो परिबो नहीं. So up to this is the basic difference between the physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. So हम अपन तो कौन डिस्कस कले आउ थरे मु ब्रीफली डिस्कस कर दोछि. हम दिस इज द सरफेस केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर. सरफेस केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर सरफेस केमिस्ट्री हम डिस्कस करले adsorption. So adsorption माने होछि adsorbent अछि. This is adsorbent. Adsorbent molecule अछि. आज लागिबो adsorbent. अब adsorbent भितरे इंटरेक्शन हो. अब adsorbent केवल सरफेस रे adsorbent केवल सरफेस लागिले हमरा कहला adsorption. यदि भीतर को एंट्री करि जिवो त हमरा कहला absorption. हमरा दिस AD is AB. तब यदि adsorbent molecule सरफेस ऊपर लागिले हमरा कहला adsorption. यदि adsorbent molecule भीतर को एंट्री करि गेला हमरा कहला absorption. तले adsorbent solid हे परिबो either solid or liquid. But adsorbent, it is always liquid or gas. So this is the basic difference between adsorption and adsorption. What is adsorbent? The surface on which adsorption takes place is called adsorbent. What is adsorbent? The gaseous molecule or जो gas molecule बा liquid molecule माने आसिकी adsorbent ऊपर इंटरैक्ट करती से गैस बा लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल को हम कहि परिबा adsorbent. हम कहि परिबा adsorbent, हम कहि परिबा adsorbent. देन हम टाइप ऑफ adsorption हम डिस्कस करले डिपेंडिंग अपॉन the type of interaction between adsorbent and adsorbent. Adsorbent और adsorbent भितरे इंटरेक्शन डिपेंड करी कि टू टाइप्स ऑफ एडजर्सन अछि गोटे होची फिजिकल एडजर्सन और होची केमिकल एडजर्सन फिजिकल एडजर्सन रे एडजॉर्बेंट सहित एडजॉर्बेंट रो गोटे वीक फोर्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन एग्जिस्ट करता है से वीक फोर्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन कहती van der Waals फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन यदि एडजॉर्बेंट भितर गोटे वीक van der Waals फोर्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन एग्जिस्ट कला तले हम ताको कहबा फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट यदि एडजॉर्बेंट और एडजॉर्बेंट भितर स्ट्रांग केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन कला हम ताको कहबा केमिकल एडजॉर्बेंट सो फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट और केमिकल एडजॉर्बेंट बेसिक डिफरेंस होची केमिकल एडजॉर्बेंट भितर स्ट्रांग केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हबो एडजॉर्बेंट और एडजॉर्बेंट भितर फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट रे बट वीक van der Waals फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एग्जिस्ट करिवो एडजॉर्बेंट और एडजॉर्बेंट फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट रे मल्टी लेयर फॉर्मेशन हे पारिबो गोटी एडजॉर्बेंट को अनेक गुडी एडजॉर्बेंट लागि पारे किंतु केमिकल एडजॉर्बेंट रे गोटे सिंगल लेयर फॉर्मेशन हो एंड वंस केमिकल बॉन्ड गोटे एडजॉर्बेंट और एडजॉर्बेंट रही सला परे से एडजॉर्बेंट ऊपर हमें आउ एडजॉर्बेंट लगी परिबा नै del H फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट रे del H इज वेरी लो बहुत कम अमाउंट हीट बाहर एडजॉर्बेंट हे सला परे some amount of heat is evolved that is called heat of adsorption जोटा कि बहुत कम थाए फिजिकल एडजॉर्बेंट किंतु केमिकल एडजॉर्बेंट रे एडजॉर्बेंट और एडजॉर्बेंट भितर इंटरेक्शन साला परे बेसी अमाउंट ऑफ हीट बाहर ताका हम कहि परिबा very high heat of adsorption in case of chemical by decreasing the pressure we can separate the adsorbent and adsorbent molecule but by decreasing the pressure we can completely separate the adsorbent from adsorbent with increasing temperature the rate of physical adsorption decreases but with increasing temperature the rate of chemical adsorption increases and further decreases with increasing temperature. Next, we'll discuss about the factors. Factors affecting rate of adsorption. Factors affecting the rate of adsorption. So there are different factors which can affect the rate of adsorption. So there are nature of the gas. Nature of gas means gas means adsorbent. Nature of gas. Next, nature of solid surface or adsorbent. Adsorbent. Temperature, pressure, temperature, pressure, surface area of the absorbent. Last point is surface area of the absorbent. So these are the different factors which can affect the rate of adsorption. Nature of the gas, nature of the solid surface, temperature, pressure, and surface area of the adsorbent. Okay. So first, nature of the gas means nature of the adsorbent. It has been found that the gases which are easily liquefied, जो गैस माने easily liquefy हो पारंती, same type of gas they are absorbed more easily on the surface of the adsorbent. मतलब जो gaseous molecule माने या जो gaseous adsorbent molecule माने easily liquefy हो पारंती, for example carbon dioxide, सेमानकर rate of adsorption on the surface of the adsorbent are more in comparison to the gas or in comparison to gases which are not easily liquefied. So gaseous molecules which are easily liquefied, they adsorb more easily on the surface of the adsorbent. Okay. Next, second point, nature of the solid surface. There are certain type of adsorbent like activated charcoal which interacts the molecules of the adsorbent more easily because the activated charcoal has more force structure in its surface, so their absorbing power is more in comparison to the other adsorbent. Also, it has been found that with increasing temperature, the rate of adsorption first increases, and further increasing temperature, the rate of adsorption decreases. If you apply Lee-Chatterley principle अनुसार यदि आम टेम्परेचर टाको बढ़े दवा ताले हमरो फास्ट हमर रेट ऑफ adsorption बढ़िबो, काहे कि टेम्परेचर बढ़िले मॉलिक्यूल मानकर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी बढ़िबो और रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बढ़िबो। और फर्दर टेम्परेचर में बढ़े थिबा ली-चार्टलर प्रिंसिपल अनुसार जेहेतु ये गोटे एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस डेलेज नेगेटिव ताकि आउ हम टेम्परेचर दबा आउ बेसी नेगेटिव एई जोटा ली-चार्टलर प्रिंसिपल अनुसार रेट ऑफ adsorption का कमी जीवो विथ फर्दर इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज प्रेशर. Normally pressure has very less effect in case of adsorption. So effect of pressure can be studied by applying certain graphs or isotope. So pressure has an effect on the extent of absorption if you consider the other parameters like temperature. So temperature, by keeping temperature constant, you can study the effect of absorption, or by keeping pressure constant, you can study the effect of adsorption with temperature. Okay, so in next class we will discuss about the effect of pressure on the rate of adsorption.